Hey guys, how you doing? There's a few things I want to tell you about. Number one, all of our sauces and all of our beef jerky and everything is available on sale permanently. We're leaving them on sale because we found out that we had such a great response through the holidays. So we thought we'd leave the price there for a little bit longer. Then it will be bumped up. So I don't know when we'll be raising the price, but right now we're just locking it in at the sale price so you guys can purchase. Now, if you want my barbecue sauce or any of my sauces, you can go on Amazon Prime and there's free shipping there. We charge shipping, but Amazon doesn't. All right? So have fun with that. Number two, we have sold out of the seasoning. So stop ordering the seasoning. Literally, we removed that as a choice. And you guys are filling in, I want 8 jars of seasoning. I'm like, dude, it's not even a choice. So we've had to refund a lot of you. We will be having seasoning soon, but let's not order seasoning, please. Because we have to contact you and tell you that we're sold out. What other flavor would you like? We have barbecue, hot barbecue, teriyaki, Jamaican jerk, and it's all going good. It's been a great year so far. And we got Jack Jr., who's going to be getting married, as you know, next year. So a lot of good things are happening. So one thing I'm noticing with all this sauce series that we're doing, we're right smack dab in the middle of a sauce series. We did the Alabama white barbecue sauce. We did the Yum Yum Japanese steakhouse sauce. And now we're about ready to do the Outback sauce that you get with the bloomin' onion. You always ask for extra. Okay, so we're going to do that next. But they all basically have the same ingredients. It's kind of shocking. You'll see in a minute. In fact, why don't you just come on in close and I'll show you. We've been doing this series just so we can give you the recipes, the rip-off recipes, so you can make it at home. So when you're cooking, you don't have to buy the store brand. You can just mix it together and have it done. Super easy. Let's go over the ingredients right now. We've got garlic, sour cream, mayonnaise, ketchup, paprika, and horseradish sauce. Once again, we're starting off with mayonnaise as our base. I don't know what it is about mayonnaise, but everybody loves it in their sauce, so let's try it out. Put some sour cream in with your mayonnaise. Recipes down below. Put in our horseradish sauce. Now this is a double batch I'm making, okay? Because I wanted to. Got your garlic and your paprika in here. About 2 tablespoons of ketchup. That's it. All right. Let's get in here and hold the plate while we mix it. As always, we got to pour this in a container and we have to save it overnight. I don't know, I'm not feeling good about this one. This doesn't look as dark as the bloomin' onion sauce. So this is gonna be close. This may not work, I'll let you know. Just put a shrimp on the Barbie.
Oh, funny.
Are you ready?
Yeah, what are we trying?
This is Outback blooming sauce. And every time we go, Tammy orders another side of it so that we don't have to share.
That's right.
Even though I love her. Go ahead.
No sharing. That's it. That's good.
It's good?
Really good.
Really good. Did you hear that? This is 3 out of 3 of our series of 4 sauce rip-off recipes.
Will they freak out if I double dipped?
No, dip again.
No,
Go ahead.
I won't freak
double
them out.
dip.
No.
Yeah, double
disgusting.
dipped.
No, that's
I
disgusting.
just double dipped.
That's why we get our own dishes.
Mmm.
Bye, guys.